will not look good. I'm proud of you. This is creamier than our mocha.
I'm not a big company yet. रोज एक नया सैशे फाड़ो, नई कॉफी मिलेगी. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the last launch video of Impulse Coffees for 2025. This is the most requested launch that Impulse Coffees ever has done. This is one of the products that you'll always wanted, and I think you've already seen it, which is why it's right here in front of me. There is no big reveal because there was like a segmental release of this product, and we did things very differently to launch our sachet box. This box is a pack of 30 sachets of Impulse Coffees' assorted flavors. We have India's largest variety of instant coffee flavors today. We do 10 flavors at this point in time. In 4 years, we've made 10 flavors और सारे आपको इस डब्बे में experience करने मिल रहे हैं. In today's video, I'm not only going to talk about the behind the scenes of this box, but also this little chotu over here that you can see. This is our pack of 10 Impulse Coffees, and this is our newest launch, which literally drops today as you watch this video. I'm going to take you behind the scenes of everything that brought these sachets to life, because I love doing these kind of videos. हर बार जब मैं आप लोगों को launch के behind the scenes में लेके जाती हूँ, that's when you all connect more with the launch and you all understand the thought and vision behind it. So I love doing it. It just took me a little longer to do this time because this launch was going to actually happen next year. We've rewinded and done lots of things differently. I'll tell you all about it. So grab your cup of Impulse Coffees or grab your chart or whatever you want to get for yourself and sit down and just watch this video and enjoy this full of hustle journey with me. If you don't know, Impulse Coffees is my brand and we do gourmet flavored instant coffee. हमारी specialty है कि हम coffee में unique flavors लेके आते हैं और उसके साथ बहुत मस्ती करते हैं. We have other products also like hot chocolate, iced tea, frother and other accessory products that we've built over the years, but the main focus has always been on coffee and making your cup of coffee very interesting. Like when I launched the brand, I knew my cup of coffee was amazing because I have not compromised on any ingredients that we use in our brand. Today coffee has become so much more expensive than when I started the brand, but even today we at Impulse Coffees do not compromise on quality. What you're getting with Impulse is pure Arabica coffee. What you get in our jars is freeze-dried coffee, which is a much more expensive process of processing coffee beans and making it into instant coffee. तो जो आपको granules दिखते हैं, like let me just get a jar of Impulse and show you. तो जब आप Impulse Coffees खरीदते हो, this is my bigger jar, the 100-gram jar of Impulse Coffees. This is a used jar, of course. This is what the granules look like. Okay, they are bigger granules. This is not like your बनिए का coffee जो आप खरीदते हो. These are bigger granules of coffee. ये instant coffee है. जैसे आप पानी या दूध में डालोगे, ये घुल जाएगी. That is not going to, you don't have to brew it with a machine or anything. But to get to this granule, the process is called freeze drying. It's a much slower and much more expensive process of making instant coffee. There are two processes in which you can make instant coffee. One is spray drying and one is freeze drying. Why I'm bringing this up today, you will come to know in the later portions of the video. But this is something that Impulse Coffees has specialized in. We do only freeze dried coffee, and this is how all of our coffee jars you will get with freeze dried. And फिर उसके ऊपर हम ऐड करते हैं USDA certified organic flavors. जितने भी Impulse Coffees के flavor है, सारे USDA certified organic है. तो जब आप Impulse Coffees खोलोगे, from the aroma to the taste and aftertaste, that balance with coffee hits just right. These flavors age really nicely in the jar. That's something that we are very specific about, because अगर आप दूसरे flavored instant coffee try करोगे ना दूसरे ब्रांड से, तो आपको समझेगा कि वो पहली बार अच्छा लग रहा है, फिर दूसरी बार बनाने गए तो फ्लेवर चला गया, तीसरी बार फिर बिल्कुल ही चला गया. बट ये सारी चीजों का हम बहुत ध्यान रखते हैं कि आप लास्ट तक, जब तक आप एंड में पहुंचोगे ना, आपका वो कॉफी का फ्लेवर प्रोफाइल मेंटेन रहेगा, बिकॉज वी यूज ऑर्गेनिक फ्लेवर्स ओनली. वी आर नॉट using artificial flavors. So these are the small things that makes Impulse Coffees' quality really premium, and we are not saying premium because हम लोग बहुत महंगा जार यूज कर रहे हैं या एकदम imported jar या ऐसा लेबल मेरा एकदम out of the world amazing है. मैं इसने स्मॉल ब्रांड के हिसाब से स्टार्ट किया था, बट क्वालिटी में मैंने कभी भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं किया था. So what you're getting inside the jar is the real premium experience for you, so that what you're consuming, especially because I'm very conscious about my health, I don't want to consume anything that will make my health worse, right? So I'm very particular to not make my coffee's quality go down, which is why Impulse Coffees is expensive, because we are giving you pure coffee. That being said, you should also notice something that Impulse Coffees always puts on the back of our jar, that is GMP. That means we have good manufacturing practices ka label, and Impulse Coffees only follows good manufacturing practice. So we pay our farmers, we pay everybody, and the cycle is very ethical, sustainably maintained. तो ये सारा जो experience था, इसको build करने के लिए मुझे 4 साल लगा है. So if you ask me, Sara, why it took you so long to bring this बड़ा jar into sachet form, why couldn't you just launch with sachets, is because जितने छोटे ये sachets लगते हैं ना, उतना ही time and उतनी मगजमारी लगती है to be able to make them. It might look like a very small product to you, but this is easy. This is not.
वो तो हमने जो आइकन्स है इधर वाले रखे हैं, so that's okay. You need to do this better, which demarcates this from this. थोड़ा तो चेंज कर दे, चॉकलेट रास्पबेरी का थोड़ा रानी पिंक और इसका ब्लू टिंट हटा. इसमें ग्रेडियंट ही नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. This is good, this is colors wise, this is good, this is good, this is also good, this is also good, this is not pinky enough. एकदम वो हो गया. ये मुझे डिजिटली भी लग रहा था, और इसमें भी कॉन्ट्रास्ट थोड़ा बढ़ा सकती है पिस्ताशियो में, थोड़ा ब्लैक्स बढ़ा, थोड़ा डेप्थ दे इसको. सेज ग्रीन ही रख, बट डेप्थ. Chocolate raspberry, pistachio, espresso needs to be worked on. Strawberry का text is extremely small and that black outline is very stark. See the hazelnut का black outline and see strawberry का black outline. Because even pineapple is small but it's not looking so small. Strawberry ऐसा छोटा हो गया, इसको थोड़ा ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. I think ticket size is perfect because if we make it smaller than this, then readability will be a problem, especially in these flavors.
इधर ये होगा ना.
If chocolate raspberry is so readable, then why is your strawberry not readable enough?
Font छोटा है मेरे.
I was thinking you can always play around with it and do masti bhari ऊपर and strawberry नीचे. Iced tea का strawberry sachet दिखा. Because these are sachets, you don't have to stick to exactly what we did with the coffee. You get my point? Let this scream the name. Pistachio, spray dried and arabica दोनों है. तो अच्छा दोनों में brown होना चाहिए. ठीक है, got it. You've made caramel spray dried. The word spray dried is looking टेढ़ा for some reason. Is it टेढ़ा? ऐसा टेढ़ा लग रहा है कि spray dried. इम्पैक्ट अच्छा लग रहा है. मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, अगर इधर तूने हॉट और कोल्ड की, इधर तू क्लेम्स करेगी, वो राउंड राउंड, फिर पीछे सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन, बारकोड वगैरह, न्यूट्रिशनल फैक्ट्स, तो तू क्लेम्स कहाँ डालेगी? फिर एक काम करते, क्लेम्स ओपनिंग पैनल पे डालते. ऑथर पे आई हैव रिटन विप इट लाइक यू मीन इट. डू यू वांट टू राइट like a tagline, coffee for every mood or something like that? What do you say? We can put this also here, Bonita wanted to put QR code here for the website. And I was thinking यहाँ पे we can put the Made in India logo.
Impulse on the go कहाँ पे आएगा? उधर वो sachet.
On the go इधर लिखना है.
हाँ.
On the go इधर दिख भी नहीं रहा वैसे भी.
इधर लिखना.
हाँ तो उधर हटा दो ना टिकट से.
Hustle on the go लिखना है. इतना सा बॉक्स है guys, this design guys, so small and cute. It's really small, but I think this is proper. Everything's readable and sharp. What do you think? I like the color. What do you think? Color's looking good.
Yeah.
Like she's taken this outline for this. इसका उसको sizing करना पड़ेगा. ये सारे font अलग-अलग size के. This all she's not done properly yet. This is looking very nice. ये नीचे का portion. Do you think she should do this line as a ticket, serrated or like a dotted line to make it look more of a brand identity? Like ये जो अपनी dotted line आती है इधर.
No, it will not make it look good with too much element then.
इस पे थोड़ा write up की जरूरत है, फिर इस पे सारे flavors आएंगे. Colors are looking good.
Because
Size is
see,
looking
this is
good. You can't put anything more over here.
And this is
fully
the basic of the basic sachet of ऐसे भी दिखेगा.
It's too much happening. So that's why we put it as a beach में, so that I made her like separated. She's supposed to resize all this still, and these colors need to match. This inside ticket color, this dark brown and this dark brown. Too much ticket will not look good because if she does ticket here, then उसके बाद it will become like too much ticket.
It will look like
Yeah, you wanted QR code on the inside. ठीक है. I think this color.
flavors आने वाला है.
फ्लेवर बॉक्सेस इज पेंडिंग। और ऊपर लेके थोड़ा बड़ा करके सैशेस भी तुम बोल रहे हो बड़ा करने, सैशेस बड़ा नहीं कर सकते, साइड में जगह नहीं बच रही है।
तो थोड़ा ऊपर लेके जाएंगे ना इसको, टिकट को थोड़ा बड़ा कर देंगे ऊपर
टिकट ही वो कर सकते हैं, नीचे का एलिमेंट्स आर लुकिंग परफेक्ट, द लोअर थर्ड्स आर लुकिंग परफेट, वी जस्ट हैव टू प्ले विद द upwards.
I think you should give this space and this space should be similar. This down and top one.
Yeah.
And when this will shift, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा empty जगह दिखेगी. So you can shift this also little up. Alignment ऊपर से और नीचे से similar रख के थोड़ा सा sachet को भी ऊपर shift कर दे, भले बड़ा मत कर दे.
Alright guys, this is the first of the digital printer. आज क्या तारीख है? 19th November. And now finally our boxes का design is closed. आज मुझे finally what do you say KLD approval मिला है on the outline कि इतने में हमारे 30 sachets fit हो जाएंगे. I sent this to my manufacturer. He checked that इसमें 30 sachets fit हो रहे हैं and इसमें 10 sachets fit हो रहे हैं. So final जो भी die line थी उसकी approve हो गई. उसके हिसाब से design में जो भी थोड़े बहुत changes करने थे वो भी कर लिए. It's very cute. It's extremely customized. Like every small detail I've taken care of. From the hustle on the go and on the go is the main product name, campaign name, everything. How to make instructions, your nutritional facts, everything. अभी इसका थोड़ा sizing बढ़ाया है. So I think they can stretch this a little more over here because इतना gap रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. The flavors you're getting over here are also mentioned and our social media, everything is here. There's also a cute detail which is added on the inside that says QR code, scan to know more. So you can scan and this is basically our website. Yeah, I think I really like it. Just gotta check the details now. And this is the bigger box. Of course, I love the bigger box a lot more. ये तुमने अभी बढ़ाया क्या size?
हाँ, वो जो कल केविन ने बताया था ना वही तरह साइज चेंज करके नया बनाया.
हाँ नहीं तो उसको ये डिजाइन फिर ऐसा क्यों इस गैप है? ये वो
उसने
बड़ा
खाली साइज बड़ा की. वो
रिया को बुलाओ. इतना गैप रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. थोड़ा बड़ा कर सकती है ना, इस पे भी रखी है ना, थोड़ा बड़ा कर सकती है.
इसको भी बड़ा कर सकते हैं.
थोड़ा सा. This should be straight aligned in my opinion. Can you see?
Center aligned type.
No, left align मार. क्योंकि ये बहुत अजीब लग रहा है, ये ऐसा जाते हुए सारा कुछ तेरा बैच नंबर वगैरह भी ठीक है.
From here पूरा एक.
बाकी everything is great.
This whole this thing.
Looks amazing यार. क्या टेढ़ा है?
This little slightly.
रूलर मार के देख ले रही है हर जगह.
एकदम very slightly.
You guys, the first lot of the sachets, they are freaking adorable. Look at that, like little babies. So cute. Look at Kacham. And they smell also like coffee. Like literally sachets हाथ में पकड़ोगे तो आपको flavor की खुशबू आएगी. They are so cute. I'm obsessed with how cute these are. Too good. They are all come for the event. ये तो ऐसे ही randomly कल जाएगा ना. कल ये बनाना के इससे भी छोटा है. फजी के फेस से भी छोटा है. फजी छोटू मौका पे चौका. छोटू. I'm obsessed with how cute these are. Too cute. I'm so excited to see people's reaction tomorrow to the party में हम लोग पहली बार लोगों के reaction लेंगे इसका. I want to film this. Sachets coming वाला. And you know what's coming back, guys? Chocolate raspberry is back. Finally, Pyar Bari chocolate raspberry is also approved. The new samples are all approved. Everything. You have everything here. Kacha aam is there. Pineapple is there. Strawberry is there. All there. Boxes are here. Looks so cute. छोटू वाला. Purple वाला आया पप्पा? Purple वाला?
नहीं वो नहीं है आपका.
Good job. I'm proud of you. Color is so good. Everything is good.
डालेंगे तो
ऊपर आ जाएगा.
Look at my house. It's a freaking warehouse, guys. It's a freaking warehouse.
कुछ तो house है ना.
Huh? It's a warehouse. It's an office. It's everything. What do you think?
Very pretty.
So cute. Very.
सब जगह लेके जाओ.
Newborn baby.
Very nice. Excellent. Assorted gourmet flavor instant coffee. Experience the hustle. 10 unique flavors. 1 sachet, 100 ml. Sugar sweetener.
See our dabbas.
I love it. I love it. I love the little library and.
You can also see.
By the way, I love pistachio. Okay, I'll tell you what are my favorites.
Okay.
I love pistachio. I love hazelnut. Then I love caramel and mocha.
Okay.
And vanilla. Okay, that's all. I love.
Yay.
Yeah, I love it.
Today only these dabbas have come. Yesterday the brown one came. Today the blue one came.
So this is a mini version and this is a
Yeah, this is the best
pack
sellers.
of 10 and pack of 30.
Yep.
Nice. Let me see if my favorites are at the pack. My favorite! It should be renamed Joey's favorite.
Yes, okay, that's what we'll call it.
All the classics are here. Like
Packaging, man, this one.
Yeah.
all the fruity ones and all are here.
My father gets very strict instructions from me for packaging.
Very nice. Very, very nice.
Purple. Purple is Anya's favorite color. Even this one, Nivi loves purple, no?
Yeah, loves it. But I
We have a colorful brand in general,
I
no? So
love this. It looks very nice.
so this time, first time I got mock-ups made for product so that we can use it on the packaging. This is my cost, literally my cost. I'm like, lo bhai, coffee try to karo. Like I'm literally like that.
feel like everyone's on the go shit.
Yeah.
Go for
Yeah.
picnics
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
just, you know, just take it with them.
Travel.
Travel.
Making sure airtight हो रहा है because instant coffee चिपक सकती है तो airtight filling process and the designing and the printing of sachets happens in bulk. When I say bulk, I mean like 50,000, 60,000 per flavor. So in one shot per flavor के लिए मुझे इतने ज़्यादा packaging print करने पड़ते हैं. The same thing that happened during iced tea also. So it's a huge investment to do and I had to be very, very sure of the flavors I want to launch before I go ahead and do this, which is why it took me so long because I really wanted to build my coffee flavor fantasy profile first, and that's why in 4 years I kept my quality the same. I built my customer base and most importantly I built my flavor profile base also. अगर आप देखोगे इम्पल्स कॉफीज में बहुत सारे ऐसे फ्लेवर्स है जो आपने कभी मतलब दूसरे ब्रांड्स में देखे भी नहीं होंगे, जैसे कि चॉकलेट रास्पबेरी हो गया, वो शायद अभी दूसरे ब्रांड्स ने भी लॉन्च किया, बट कच्चा आम वाज द फर्स्ट फ्लेवर दैट लिटरली एवरीवन, जब हमने लॉन्च किया, दे वर लाइक कच्चा आम इन कॉफी ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है, बट लिटरली एवरीवन हु ट्राइज इट दे फॉल इन लव विद कच्चा आम बिकॉज़ इट्स सो यूनिक and so like tingling on the taste buds. Same way we went ahead and did pineapple, we did strawberry. These are our limited edition flavors because we go ahead and source them in the season of the flavors again because we do organic flavors only. Caramel we launched so much later because it's a hit, it's a classic, every brand has it, but our caramel really slaps. I went through so many samples of caramel ka kamal before we came to caramel ka kamal. Same goes for hazelnut, and then we launched pistachio recently. It's literally the only pistachio flavored instant coffee you're getting in India right now. So pistachio again is something that we hit the iron right when it was hot, when the pistachio trend was taking over the world, when the kunafa trend was taking over the world. I really wanted to go ahead and do it, and these flavors when you're hitting on the trend they become very expensive. जैसे कि matcha, अभी matcha का craze हर जगह हो गया है तो matcha बहुत महंगा हो गया है, वैसे ही pistachio भी बहुत महंगा हो गया है. So हर चीज मैंने बहुत calculatively impulse में launch किया, कुछ भी ऐसे ही नहीं किया है. Everything has put a lot of thought, especially when it comes to the coffees. So since this product was the biggest requirement from our customers, we decided to ask our customers exactly what they want in our sachet box and how do they want it packaged, because individually sachets बेचना तो impossible था, that we narrowed it down to. And so we started asking customers. We took a Google form on Instagram, और ये Google form के responses थे. I'll put like a screen recording here for you. And most of the customers, I think more than 60% said that they want all of our 10 flavors in one box. They want to try all the flavors that Impulse Coffees has to offer so that they can make a decision हम जाके कौन से का jar खरीदे, because they want to basically make like an informed decision. They cannot go ahead and buy everything का jar, which is completely understandable, and that made the most sense. I was sure that okay, we have to launch one assorted box which has all our flavors so that we can display our pride and joy completely at Impulse Coffees in one box, and that's where the hustle on the go box got decided, which has all our flavors. This is what it looks like on the inside. Pre-orders were already done and a lot of you all have gone out and supported our brand, and that means so much to us because it really helped us build and understand the demand for this product. So these are all the 10 flavors you get in this box. You get a Nawabi Pistachio, Nutcut Hazelnut, Raat Ki Rani Espresso, Masti Bhari Strawberry, Pyar Bhari Chocolate Raspberry as well, Vicharo Vanilla, Mocha Pe Choka, Caramel Ka Kamal, Keep Calm with Kacham, and Pal Pal Pineapple. So all our flavors, even the limited edition flavors, are available in this box. Now I know a lot of you all have questions, how are you making the limited edition flavors possible? I'm gonna get to all of it. So when I was making this box, box because all of you all said कि आपको सारे 10 flavors चाहिए. I could have given you one of 10 flavors also. That would have been really cheap to make क्योंकि एक ही डालना होता सारे flavors का, तो लेबर भी कम लगता है. Like for this box, I have to literally make 5 men sit down with two flavors each and like put this in the box and the box को rotation में डालना होता है. तो लेबर कॉस्ट भी इसमें बहुत ज्यादा है. वो सब मुझे बाद में समझ में आया कि जितना मतलब कलरफुल बॉक्स है उतना इसको पुट टुगेदर करना बहुत मुश्किल का काम है. बट हमने लाइक ठान ही ली थी कि ये करना तो है ही. इट्स ऑफ कोर्स मोर एक्सपेंसिव एंड मोर डिफिकल्ट टू ब्रिंग अ स्मॉलर यूनिट इन एन असॉर्टेड बॉक्स लाइक दिस than to just fill a jar with coffee and give you. So this is more expensive to manufacture. My margins on this product are a lot lesser and in marketplaces so it's as good as not there only. If I put this on Amazon and Blinkit, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा है. I'm just selling this so that I can make a lifetime value customer. A customer that buys this product is going to go ahead, fall in love with their favorite flavors and then come back and purchase a 50 gram, 100 gram jar, and that second order is going to be extremely important to Impulse Coffees. So the intention behind launching our sachet boxes was so that we give you that trial pack experience, which is why I wanted to also take the opinion from my customers कि आपको क्या price point पे चाहिए. Now a lot of customers wanted the sweet spot of 300 to 400 rupees, and if I wanted to do that, I could have done that had I given you only 20 sachets. 20 sachets में I could have easily given you this for 300 to 400. Maybe in the future I will launch इसका भी छोटा version. You never know. But for now I did 30 एक ही साथी में because I am seeing other competitors also. I have to do a competitor analysis. I do a customer survey. We do a competitor analysis to see what our other brands are doing. And other direct competitors are directly giving you pack of 30, pack of 45. They're not giving you chota packs. So I was like, you know what? I cannot give you chota pack because then you will be like, oh, it's too expensive for that also. So I wanted to give you the same price point, the same quantity that my direct competitors are doing. Please keep in mind that your Nescafe and your very inexpensive coffees are not my direct competitors because the quality of coffee that they are giving you is very different from the quality of coffee that we are doing at Impulse Coffees. The other brands are our direct competitors and we tried to give you the same price point, the same quantity, everything the same and more flavors and organic flavors. So even better coffee that we can claim for our taste palates and our customers in the same price point that we can afford. So it's literally like if you buy this jar, आपको कॉफी उतने की पड़ रही है, अगर आप ये खरीद रहे हो आपको उतने की पड़ रही है. बहुत लोग बोल रहे थे कि हमको सैशे इसलिए चाहिए क्योंकि वो सस्ता हो जाएगा. That's not possible. I cannot make my coffee cheaper for you to fill it into sachets, and that point also I'm going to come to. But if you want the same coffee, the same quality of coffee from the jar in the box, then you have to pay the same price per cup. That is 20 rupees per cup is what you pay in the jar, 20 rupees per cup is what you pay in the sachet also. In fact, to make this is more expensive, so my profit margin on this is lesser, but that's okay. That's not my biggest concern. That's not my main focus when it comes to this product. I'm not looking for major profits here. I'm looking for more volume. I'm looking for lifetime customers when it comes to this box. And so yeah, that was the intent. That was how we went ahead with the research and everything. I very rarely talk about so much technical terms जब आता है launch पे. I never tell you all कि क्या technical चीजें हैं क्योंकि I only tell you कि sample किया product और फिर कैसे हमको अच्छा लगा and we launch it. But इस केस में हमको कुछ sample नहीं करना था. हमको हमारी ही कॉफी को छोटे पैकेट में पैक करके आपको बेचनी थी और उसके लिए बहुत सारा टेक्निकल एनालिसिस करना था ताकि कॉस्ट कंट्रोल में हो सके. Now I'll tell you how the launch of this particular box went about. We were going to launch this in January. Both our sachet boxes and sachets were going to launch in January. We were going to do the shoot in December. But what happened exactly was कि हमारी anniversary party हुई. Okay, anniversary party के दिन I had decided कि sachets बस उस रात को आए थे. तो anniversary party was on the 2nd of December. 1st December I came back from Saudi Arabia. I came home and sachets also came home that same night. So we saw the sachets, we were very excited and we were like लोगों के hamper में इसको डालते. बहुत last minute decision था कि लोगों के hamper में हम इसको डालेंगे and हम creators को भी दिखाएंगे. You know, all these creators who were coming to the party have been with my brand since the beginning. Like Mridul and all were there in my first rental home, tasting my first. I remember her tasting Vichava Vanilla in the first house and telling me it's really good. So from there, these creators have been with us. So I really wanted to show all my creator friends and everyone in the industry that we have launched sachet, like make that big announcement. And so we went ahead and did it. It was a very impulsive decision of Impulse Coffees to do this announcement on the day of the anniversary party. Very special announcement that I have. Today, for the first time, you're the first ones to know that Impulse Coffees is finally launching sachets. few of them right here is what you're going to take home with you. You're the first people who will be getting a hands with this. I'm so excited for this because, again, like I said, it's as small as this is like a chota bomb, has troubled us quite a lot. So finally, every single flavor, even the ones that usually are out of stock, that is your kacham, is in the form of a sachet. Chocolate, raspberry, all your flavors. Ooh, sachet. Yes!
Oh, yeah, I remember you tasted. Oh, so you can like carry it when you're traveling.
Yes.
Nice. Very cool.
All my flavors will now come in single serve sachets.
Oh, awesome! Now we can travel with these sachets.
Yes.
Amazing, love it.
Oh, so cute. Oh, keep calm with kacham. Oh, this is the iced teas or coffees.
Coffees.
Oh my God, finally. हमारी ट्रिप सॉर्ट हो जाएंगे. अभी हमें वो बड़ा जार नहीं लेके जाना पड़ेगा. Life changing है ये.
This is literally on the go. Like our campaign is going to be on the go.
So cool.
So I'm so
Congrats.
glad.
Amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you. आग बंद कर. हाथ आगे करो. What is this? Open your eyes.
कर दिया मैंने open bro.
Chocolate raspberry. It's a new flavor. We have chocolate raspberry.
Is it sachet?
Yes.
Sachet, yes.
अरे वाह.
ट्रैवल सॉर्टेड है अभी ट्रैवल जाना सॉर्टेड है भाई
All the flavors.
कितने cute है ना?
Very.
सीरियसली चुम्मेश्वर एकदम खतरनाक
Open my eyes. Yes. Minis. Oh my God. Sarah, trust you to come out with all the brilliant stuff, man. Now, I have something when I'm traveling as well. Brilliant. It came last night and I really wanted you to have it. And then I come home from the anniversary party and then I look at all the footage and I realize कि हमारे महान तहा जी ने कोई भी प्रोडक्ट का फोटो लिया ही नहीं है. उसने एक भी जार का फोटो लिया ही नहीं है पूरी पार्टी में. खाली लोगों का फोटो लिया है, मेरा फोटो लिया है, एस्थेटिक्स का फोटो लिया है एंड उसने एक भी जार का फोटो नहीं लिया है जो रखा था इतना सारा मेरे पीछे. But he's not taken any video or photo of my product. But one product that got photographed was my sachet. And I was like, guys, what are we going to post on Instagram tomorrow? Like the night of the party, everyone was posting their stories from the party. तो हम लोग वही repost कर रहे थे. But अगले दिन I was like, अभी मेरे को post करना, मैं क्या post करूंगी? We had decided कि हाँ हम content ले लेंगे और हम January में post करेंगे जब हमारा launch करना है. Then finally we had to make a decision कि ठीक है कुछ post करना है. Let's post about the sachets. So फिर again we were also impulsive, कुछ नहीं, desperate times, desperate measures वाले हालात हो गए हमारे. और फिर उसके बाद ये जितने भी sachets के photos थे with creators everything वो सारा कुछ मैंने carousel में डाल दिया. It was part of a carousel. It was not even part of the main photos. But everyone who saw the sachets got excited for the sachets and everyone was like, oh my God, we need to have this. Oh my God, when are the sachets launching? And my sessions on the website started increasing. Like everyone was going on the website and searching for it and not getting the product. So that is wasteful marketing. Like my product is getting marketed but nobody's converting and nobody's able to order. That's when I was like, you know, we need to do something about this. So we kept the hype going on our social media. हम लोग post करते गए and then हमारा 9 तारीख को shoot था. 9 तारीख को वैसे भी हमारा shoot होने ही वाला था because our photographer was not in town after that. So we were like, okay, the whole plan of action was कि December में सारा कुछ shoot कर लेंगे और January में हम launch करेंगे. So our shoot happened on 9th December and we decided to go ahead and start pre-orders on 12th December so that we can start converting the traffic which is coming on the website. And oh my God, what an experience this was for Impulse Coffees. The first time that I have done pre-orders, I get very scared to do pre-orders, okay? Like to take people's money when my maal is not even in the warehouse, I get very scared. I know a lot of brands do it and a lot of brands take pre-orders for 6 months also. But as a founder who's never done pre-orders, I was honestly very casual about it. I was like, ठीक है, product list कर देते हैं, जिसको लेना है लेगा, जिसको नहीं लेना है नहीं लेगा. We were not pushing ads. We didn't start putting our main commercial video. हमने कुछ भी creators के साथ जो photos लिए वो सब like दूसरे भी photoshoot पे, you know, अभी आपने photoshoot का भी BTS देख लिया, Tuesday को vlog डाला था. If you have seen that, you know, Sam and Shalini came for their photoshoot, but we didn't reveal any of their photos. We didn't put the main commercial video. कुछ भी we didn't put it out on the internet. We didn't run ads, nothing. We just said we'll put the product on the website. जिसको लेना है वो लेगा, जिसको नहीं लेना है वो नहीं लेगा, जिसको launch के लिए wait करना है वो launch के लिए wait करेगा. That's it. And oh my God, what a response we got. It has been insane to sort of operationally manage and understand. तो जितना माल हम मंगवाने वाले थे वो already pre-orders में निकल चुका है. And that has been very crazy because we didn't have any sale on the website at that point. Only this one sachet box has launched and people have flocked the website. They're already pre-ordering on prepaid basis because COD was also disabled for this. And the trust, it honestly made me like, one night I just sat with myself and I was like, wow, people have so much trust in our brand Impulse Coffees, and I truly appreciate that trust that you all have made and put into our brand, that you can trust कि हम इसको safely आप तक पहुंचा देंगे जब ये हमारे पास आएगा, which is 27 December. We get the goods for this. That is today when you're watching this, and we are first going to ship out all the people who trusted us and placed your pre-orders. You will not believe has immensely helped us with the cash flow in the company. Because of the fire in the warehouse, we lost a major amount of our inventory. We could have sold that, made a lot of profit, and our company would be in a great place to keep running. This launch would have made us even better. But unfortunately, because of that, we have major cash flow issues in the company. Like, I have put all my savings in the company to sort of keep the money rolling so that we are not in debt. Because of that, I have been very stressed कि कैसे मैं पैसा arrange करूँ और company को run करती रहूँ. But क्योंकि ये पैसा आ गया है before the product even launched, that cash flow issue got fixed a little bit. And mashallah, I'm so grateful, truly from the bottom of my heart, as a founder who's been through a lot this year. I really am grateful for everyone who placed your pre-order, because you must have paid only 500 rupees for a pre-order, but you don't know how much you contributed to the company to bring us back on our feet after the fire. That has been massive help from your end, especially everyone who pre-ordered. Of course, all of y'all who order, that will be even better for us, but thank you for trusting our brand especially. So now I've spoken everything about this box, what you're getting, at what price, everything. You are getting 1.5 gram sachet, which will help you make itna coffee, okay? 110 ml of milk और 110 ml of water लेना, एक sachet डालना, आपकी अच्छी कॉफी बनेगी. अगर आपको ये पूरा ग्लास बनाना है, which is 250 ml, put 2 sachets of your coffee and make it. It's the same quality as your jar. You're getting all your coffee flavors. Since I always say that Impulse Coffees is by the people, for the people, the second most request that Impulse has always had, apart from sachets, is that make Impulse Coffees cheaper. हमको सस्ता चाहिए, हमको सस्ता चाहिए, हमको सस्ता चाहिए. And I'm like, कैसे मैं इतनी महंगी कॉफी आपको सस्ते में दूँ? Has been my biggest, like, you know, first I used to think कि छोड़ो जाने दो, like they are not my target audience. I should not pay attention to those questions. Only I should ignore it and I should only pay attention to my customers. But then I realized that, you know, Impulse has become this aspirational brand that a lot of people aspire to get when they can afford it. And whoever gets it really appreciates it and then goes ahead and repurchases. Impulse Coffees has a 65% repeat customer rate, which is great in the D2C market. Like, it's excellent that people go ahead and come back on our website and buy our products. So I was like, okay, now this market is very well tapped and these people appreciate our brand, come for our brand. But now let's talk about the people who are engaging on our YouTube and, you know, who are commenting on our videos and being like, महंगा है, महंगा है, महंगा है. उन सबको जो महंगा लग रहा है, उसके लिए should we work to bring a product which is competitive to your सस्ती कॉफी वाला market? And ये conversation भी ना मैंने last year शुरू कर दिया था कंपनी में, कि हमने बात करना शुरू किया था कि करना है क्या सस्ती कॉफी, let's do it. So what is सस्ती coffee? Like I said in the start of the video, that Impulse Coffees is freeze-dried coffee. When we make coffee, our process is freeze-drying, which is a much more expensive process, a slower process, so time-consuming and expensive. But there's another method of making instant coffee, and that's spray-dried coffee. So spray-dried coffee, to make, it's a different process. It's cheaper to make. It happens faster. So it can keep up with the commercial demand of instant coffee also. So आपको जो बड़े-बड़े 2 kg के भी जो पैकेट्स मिलते हैं, आप अगर ग्रोसरी स्टोर में जाओगे तो 2-2 kg के जो आपको कॉफी पैकेट मिलते हैं, वो सारे स्प्रे ड्राइड कॉफी है. वो ऐसी आपकी प्योर अराबिका, ऐसे ग्रैन्यूल वाली कॉफी नहीं होती है. वो एकदम पिसी हुई कॉफी होती है. उसका प्रोसेस ही अलग होता है. तो देन वी स्टार्टेड सैम्पलिंग दोस टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ इट इज, कि दिस इज लाइक दिस, लाइक एकदम पिसी हुई कॉफी. दिस इज हाउ योर अदर ब्रांड्स का कॉफी मस्ट बी लुकिंग लाइक, एकदम पिसा हुआ. नाउ इन दिस यू कैन नॉट टेल what else is added when it comes to the other commercial brands. To make product cheaper, a lot of things must be getting added to the coffee, so it's not pure coffee. In my case, of course, we follow good manufacturing practices, so when we were going to launch, we had to be very transparent with what we are going to give our customers, and we started sampling spray dried coffee. We went to vendors, we got our samples, everything, and we came down to the concoction of what is written over here, that is 53-47. So this is 53% coffee and 47% chicory. So chicory is a herb which is added to coffee. It tastes like coffee, but it is not coffee. It's not going to get the caffeine kick. It's only going to give you that herby aftertaste when you taste instant coffee. The coffee intensity is literally half if you have a cup of spray dried versus if you have a cup of freeze dried coffee. Freeze dried will kick like that caffeine kick will be hitting, whereas spray dried का caffeine kick will be 50%, literally half. And जो शिकरी है वो उसको टेस्ट को enhance करेगा. That's all that you are getting in our spray dried coffee plus our organic flavors. This is a concoction that we came to after a lot of sampling.
Ooh. Wow, dude. Yeah, he was telling me that the flavor mixing happens better in the spray dried as compared to freeze dried. I can't get. Is this Irish? Butterscotch. Mocha. I will take all the three names and the joke. I'm so bad at just guess the flavor thing. This is creamier than our mocha. It's not got a bitter aftertaste. It's very nice, very rich, and it's got this creamy aftertaste. The mocha spray dried. Tastes very nice. Very good. Wow, I'm impressed. इसमें है bitter taste. बहुत bitter है. क्या Irish है? बहुत bitterness है इसमें. You can see the granules of this will be like powdered because this is a mix of Arabica, Robusta and Chicory. This is not pure Arabica coffee like my freeze-dried coffee is. This is very nice. Very nice. Butterscotch is very nice. Creamy. This is approved. This also we can do. It's different than our mocha, but it's creamy.
The goal with Impulse Coffee spray dried coffee was कि दूसरे ब्रांड की तरह हम कुछ छुपाएंगे नहीं. जब हम स्प्रे ड्राइड भी लॉन्च करेंगे हम लोगों को बोलेंगे कि ये सस्ता है, बट ये क्यों सस्ता है? ये सस्ता है क्योंकि इसमें आपको 53% ही कॉफी मिल रहा है, बाकी आपको शिकरी मिल रहा है, इसीलिए ये सस्ता है. बट हम इसमें और कुछ मिलावट नहीं कर रहे हैं. और आपको अगर हमारे फ्लेवर्स इसमें ट्राई करने हैं तो यू आर गेटिंग ऑल आवर फ्लेवर्स इन द सेम quality as the freeze dried jar. So we are still using our USDA certified organic flavors, but in spray dried coffee, the coffee's intensity is going to be half because it's 50%. So the caffeine kick might be just 50% of what you're getting in the freeze dried jar. But what it allows us to do is to give you a cheaper level product, to just give you that entry level product कि आप impulse को try तो कर पाओ. ठीक है? तो this is not freeze dried coffee. Again, I'm saying that this on the go hustle, this chotu dabba is not the same coffee that you're getting in your jars. It is a different coffee, but you're getting the same flavor. So what we did with the chotu dabba is we put our best sellers. Now this was another request that another set of customers had, that please make a box only of your best sellers. And so we did. All our best selling flavors, mocha, hazelnut, pistachio, vanilla and caramel, all our best selling flavors are in this chotu dabba. This is a pack of 10, so you get 2 per dabba, but these coffees are spray dried coffee. So every one of the packet over here is going to have spray dried coffee. You can you hear this? Can you hear that? I'll show you the difference when you're going to shake a spray dried versus a freeze dried. Wait. I have my nut cut hazelnut in freeze and spray. So can you see the granules are different? This is granules, pure coffee, 100% Arabica coffee, almost 100%, 98% Arabica coffee, no chicory, USDA organic flavors. This is 53% coffee, 47% chicory, USDA certified organic flavors. This is going to be 20 rupees per cup. This is going to be 15 rupees per cup. Why is my spray dried coffee not 2 rupees per cup like your other commercial brands are? Well, I cannot give you that because I'm not a big conglomerate. I'm not a big company yet where I can really afford to give you 2 rupees ka coffee sachet. I'm not in every dukaan. I don't have that kind of distribution. I don't have that kind of name behind me. And also I am not adulterating my product to a level where it just cannot be coffee. Also, you sometimes, let me be very honest with you, you don't even know if your 2 rupees coffee has coffee or it has something else. Let me be very frank with you. But I am going to be very transparent, very honest and tell you कि 15 रुपए का coffee का sachet है. This entire box is going to retail for 159 rupees, which is 15 और 16 रुपया for one sachet. 16 रुपया ना, 159 rupees, and you will get it at a discount as a slash price again in your bundles. You will get it at a discounted price when you buy it in bundles. You will also get this on e-commerce and Blinkit and everywhere. This was my way to just enter the market. कि ठीक है, Impulse Coffees वो लोग भी try कर पाए जो budget पे है, जो aspire करते हैं Impulse Coffees पीने के लिए, but जिनको इतना कुछ शौक नहीं कि हमको pure coffee ही पीना है. They are okay to compromise with the caffeine hit a little bit. I'm not giving you anything which is adulterated. Chicory is absolutely acceptable as per all food guidelines to mix with coffee. It's something every brand does, and it only enhances the flavor of coffee. So this is not adulteration. Just I wanted to make that very clear that I am following all my GMP guidelines to make this coffee also possible. Again, has been in the works for more than a year now and had to be perfect as per Impulse Coffee's standard. It's an entry level product and we've just started with this box. इसी में आपको spray dried coffee मिल रही है, बाकी कहीं नहीं. But if it's received well, if people start loving spray dried coffee, then we might go ahead and launch new flavors in new jars and launch like a whole line of coffee in the future. You never know, inshallah, for the people who want to just enter into the brand. So maybe you'll start getting this in jars, also maybe in other flavors. So that's the future of launching something like this. I just want to launch and see what people's response is to a product like this. Buy this, try it out and tell me, give me your feedback. What do you think? Did you like it? Like, compare this to your ₹2 का coffee sachet and tell me आपको कितना caffeine hit मिल रहा है, आपको flavors कैसे लग रहे हैं, how are you finding this product? Even if you are somebody who buys our freeze dried coffee regularly, buy this, tell me what you think about it. I'm looking for feedback with this product. I want to understand better with this product once I launch it. I'm going to do a lot of research on my customer feedback with this to understand the future of this line at Impulse Coffees. That's why we did like a very small investment with this. Also, just to give you a reality, this box is MRP 159, but इसको Blinkit पे डालने का Blinkit 88 rupees लेगा. So literally when I tell you that launching products like this which are cheaper is not profitable to the company at all. It's literally like मैं अपनी जेब से पैसा डाल रही हूँ आपको बेचने के लिए कि भाई लो, try करो, अच्छा लगा तो please come back and get the jar. So these are just products, both the sachet boxes are products where we are just sort of introducing a way for y'all to try and experience Impulse Coffees, for y'all to get a taste of what the brand stands for, what our quality is and what we stand for. This time we've experimented a lot, we've made a huge investment and I'm very, very excited for it. Really excited doing this video because I already know that we've gotten so much love for our pack of 30 and inshallah pack of 10 will do even better. I am finally listening to all of you. So many comments came when this launched. What's the point of launching a sachet box which is the same price as your 50-gram jar? The point is that you get variety. In this, you're getting variety, you're getting the same quality as a jar, you get so much option. ये खरीदो, रोज एक नया sachet फाड़ो, नई कॉफी मिलेगी. 30 दिन का पैकेट आपका solved. Like रोज आप नया कॉफी फ्लेवर पी सकते हो and you don't have to worry about okay opening a fresh jar or something. So this is that product. This is the product for my aspirational people who want to try Impulse, have never purchased from my brand. Now I'm giving you a product of just 159 rupees. So every single request that I have ever received in the form of DMs, comments, question answer boxes, everything from our customers, we have ensured to take that into consideration. Now we have a variety pack, now we have a Sasta pack, now we have free shipping, now we have everything, and Prother is in stock, our Raspberry is back in stock, all our products are in stock. One major question was also how are we getting our limited edition flavors like Kacha Aam and Pineapple in this box. जब मैंने बोला है कि these are limited edition flavors, we only get them in the season of the flavor. So you are getting Kacha Aam and Pineapple in this box. It's because these are small quantities. How many ever boxes I had to this? ये पूरा projection, पूरा strategy. See, when I launched Kacha Aam, I didn't know कितना demand इसका होगा, तो I only bought a small batch of flavoring. I was like, ठीक है, गर्मी में बेचूंगी, खत्म कर दूंगी, उसका profit कमाऊंगी, that's it. उसके बाद I will not sell it because I cannot again buy the product. Same goes for Pineapple. So we had one full successful year of this, one successful year of this, and then 1 year where we did both the flavors. And then when we had to do the sachet box and we knew people want all the 10 flavors in this, that's when we projected. So in summers itself, we placed a bulk order for the flavoring of Kacha Aam and Pineapple such that it could have been filled in this. So these projections, planning, everything we do with our finance team, our vendors, everything. There are lots of people in the company apart from me who help me make this planning and do all of this better. जितना easy आपको लग रहा है ना, उतना easy तो है नहीं कि हाँ ठीक है छोटे में पैकेट किया और डाल दिया. Everything की बहुत ज़्यादा planning हो गई है कि whatever customers want, they should get in this box, and that's why we did this projection, planning, ordering of flavor, everything with the vendor well in advance, ताकि he has enough flavor to fill in this box. And again, the pre-orders also helped us to get a projection. So now again, when summers come, we'll place a bulk order for the flavors and so on and so forth. We did the same for strawberry. Now we've taken a bulk order of strawberry. So we are selling and selling strawberry. It hasn't gone out of stock. It doesn't mean कि वो out of stock नहीं जा रहा है. It means कि हमारे पास इतना supply है कि we are able to fulfill the demand according according to what we projected from our last year's sales. So everything goes very hand in hand. We know how much we're going to market it and then kitna uska inventory move hoga, and accordingly we buy stock and so on and so forth. I think, yeah, with that, I will close out today's video. I'm really excited about these products and I really hope you all enjoy them. Please shop from Impulse Coffees. Give us your feedback. Let us know what you think of our pack of 30, pack of 10. I've tried to take every single request into consideration. Your variety pack, your bestseller pack, your affordability factor, your entry-level product, your availability on Amazon and Blinkit will also be there by January. Inshallah, we should be in all of your dark stores near you in Bangalore, Mumbai, in Blinkit. In Amazon, so we have like a couple of cities where we do Prime, and we also have Amazon for everything. So everything will be in every other place by January. और distribution को थोड़ा time लगता है, but website पे आज से सब कुछ live है, सब कुछ available है. Yeah, anything else that you want from Impulse? Let me know in the comments. We'll try to do that also in the new year. Let us know what other products, what other flavors you want to see from us. Everything that you want to see in 2026, leave your comments, your requests in the comment section, because you know at Impulse Coffees we are always listening. Thank you so much for all the love. For today's video, Sasko goes to Amrita Shastri. You're one of our top customers at Impulse Coffees, and so thank you so much for your support, your trust in Impulse Coffees. Our customers truly mean the world to us, and whoever places order on website, I can see y'all. I love talking to y'all, and I'm going to do a lot more conversations, pop-ups, lots of experiences for Impulse next year so I can meet y'all more in person. Thank you for all the love you've shown our brand. We just completed 4 years. There's a big legacy to continue. All the links that you need for shopping our products are always in the description box, so check it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.